Ever been caught in a car accident and wondered what a car accident lawyer can do for you? Well, these legal professionals play an important role in helping victims navigate the complex world of insurance claims and legal proceedings. They work tirelessly to ensure you receive fair compensation for your damages. So, whether it's a minor fender bender or a major collision, a car accident lawyer can be your ally in seeking justice. Let's dive into a real-life case study to understand the importance of a car accident lawyer. Imagine this. You're in a car accident, suffering injuries, and your car is heavily damaged. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Now, let's dive into a real-life case study to illustrate the true value of a car accident lawyer. Meet Jane. Jane is a nurse, a mother of two, and was recently involved in a devastating car accident that left her with severe injuries and her car in a wreck. Initially, Jane was overwhelmed. She was juggling hospital visits, recovery, insurance claims, and the stress of lost wages. She was offered a quick settlement by the at-fault driver's insurance company. It seemed like a lot of money at first glance, but Jane had a hunch that it wouldn't cover all her medical bills, let alone her ongoing therapy and the time she'd have to take off work. That's when Jane decided to enlist the help of a car accident lawyer. Her lawyer, Sarah, was a beacon of hope in Jane's darkest hour. Sarah immediately took charge, handling all the legal aspects of Jane's case. She sifted through the sea of paperwork, negotiated with the insurance company, and advocated for Jane's rights in court. Sarah was well-versed in the legal jargon and the complexities of personal injury law. She explained everything to Jane in simple terms, ensuring that Jane was well-informed every step of the way. She used her expertise to calculate a fair compensation that took into account not just Jane's current medical bills, but also her future medical needs, lost income, and emotional distress. With Sarah's guidance, Jane was able to focus on what was most important: her recovery. Sarah's tireless advocacy ensured that Jane received a settlement that was significantly higher than the initial offer. It covered all of Jane's medical expenses, her lost wages, and even provided a cushion for any future needs. This real-life story illustrates the critical role that car accident lawyers play. They are the unseen lifesavers, navigating the complex legal maze with ease, fighting for justice, and ensuring that victims like Jane receive the compensation they rightfully deserve. With the help of a car accident lawyer, the victim was able to navigate through the legal maze and secure a fair settlement. So, what exactly did the lawyer do in this case, you might wonder? Well, first and foremost, the car accident lawyer took on the vital role of gathering evidence. This isn't like picking up apples at the grocery store. It's a meticulous process of collecting police reports, witness statements, medical records, and more. Gathering this information is crucial because it forms the foundation of your case. Without this evidence, proving fault and establishing the extent of your damages can be incredibly challenging. The lawyer also assumed the role of a negotiator. Dealing with insurance companies can feel like navigating a labyrinth. They're not always on your side and can employ tactics to minimize your claim or outright deny it. Here's where the lawyer steps in, using their knowledge and experience to negotiate a fair settlement on your behalf. They ensure that you're not shortchanged and that your rights are protected, and if necessary, the lawyer will represent you in court. While most car accident cases are settled out of court, some end up in the courtroom, especially when the parties involved can't agree on the liability or the amount of damages. The lawyer stands as your voice, fighting for your rights and making sure your side of the story is heard. A car accident lawyer thus becomes your advocate, your advisor, and your shield against the legal complexities. With them by your side, you can focus on recovery, while they handle the legal heavy lifting. So, in the end, why would you need a car accident lawyer? Let's recap what we've learned so far. A car accident lawyer is not just a lawyer. They are your unseen lifesaver. They step in during your most vulnerable moments, offering guidance and support when it feels like the world is against you. Their role is multifaceted. They handle the complexities of legal proceedings, taking the burden off your shoulders. They negotiate with insurance companies, ensuring you're not taken advantage of, and that you receive a fair settlement. They advocate for your rights, making sure your voice is heard in a system that can often feel overwhelming and impersonal. In essence, a car accident lawyer is your champion in the legal arena. Their expertise, tenacity, and dedication can make the difference between despair and hope, between being shortchanged and getting the compensation you deserve. Remember, in the aftermath of an accident, a car accident lawyer can be your strongest ally, guiding you through the legal jungle and fighting for your rights.